My people, una come do small meeting about our hair. You see that our hair wey no go regrow, that our hair wey dey change color anyhow, and that our hair wey be say when we dey comb am e dey break, e go break like say e collect permission from the person wey dey comb am. Una come we go visit our kitchen, we do small meeting. Now inside our kitchen, e get wetin we dey always throw when we dey prepare fresh meals. We dey throw am every time, every meat we dey follow throw am. You know wetin be that thing? That thing dey help for these things wey I mention say dey happen to our hair. Now that thing na onion peel. You see this thing? You see am? Onion peel. E dey help for these things wey I just mention. Our hair dey break, the hair dey delay to grow, and say e dey change color. Now see this onion peel wey we dey throw for our dustbin every day when we dey prepare food. E contain things wey fit help our hair dey grow well. Na wetin be dis things wey dis thing contain? E contain wetin dem dey call minerals, vitamins and anti-oxidants wey be say e dey help grow our hair. Now make we break am down. We don talk 3 things wey dis thing contain. Now these 3 things dey help the hair dey grow well. Now see wetin dey make am dey grow well now. You know say this our scalp so, wetin dey help our hair grow most times na when the scalp dey get better blood circulation. So this thing e dey help. When we spray the water wey dey come from this onion peel, e go help circulate the blood well for our scalp, and when blood dey circulate well, the hair go grow well. Now e get another thing wey dey affect us, wey be say the hair dey change color, the color don dey change. This thing wey you see me so dey hold, wey we dey throw every day, go still help for that wahala. Now e get wetin this thing contain, wey be say if we dey use the water wey come from this onion peel, e go help regulate the color wey our hair dey change to. E dey darken hair. See onions as a whole, e dey darken hair. So when we apply this onion peel water, or the water wey dey come from this onion peel, e go help regulate the hair color. And you know say sometimes na when our hair no get the better strength to help am stand when we dey comb am, e go dey break anyhow when the hair don too light. So when we dey use the water wey dey come from this onion peel, e go help the hair get weight, e go help am dey full, e go help am wey be say when we dey comb our hair, e no go break, e go just dey, e no go break anyhow. No be like say hair no dey break o, hair dey break normally, but the breakage wey I dey talk about na the one wey be say e go pull your comb but you never comb the hair well. Na that kind one na im be the wahala wey I dey talk about. E go break, you no go see why you get hair. See this onion peels, e go help. The hair breakage go reduce. Yes, e go reduce. Front hair, I no get front hair, I no get front hair, I no get front hair. Na hair breakage na dey cause most people own. So when we dey apply this thing, all the hair wey we dey lose for our hair, we no go come dey lose am like before again. So when hair no dey break like before again, e go help the hair dey full. And thirdly, you know say when we dey apply the water wey come from this onion peel, e dey help the hair dey shine. Our hair e dey shine, yes. This thing e dey help when we dey apply am for our hair. E dey help am shine, e dey help am get that strength wey e need to grow well. So wetin I don talk for this short video na say, see this thing wey we dey throw for our kitchen, make we no throw am again. If we get these things wey I don mention for this video, say your hair dey cut, your hair dey break, and the hair dey change color, see this thing, no dey throw am again, dey keep am, use am for your hair. Yes, e go help. I don use am, me don use am, and I don see the difference. I say make I follow share am with you. And if you want say make other people still benefit from this video wey I don do, still share am give them, make dem still learn something from wetin dem dey throw inside their kitchen. Now you go ask me say, this space, you don talk am o, we don hear, but how we go take get the water wey dey come from onion peel? No worry, I go try do video on how to get the water wey dey come from onion peel, so that you go follow dey do am for yourself and use am for your hair. For now, no dey throw am again, keep am. For the next video, as I don promise una, I go do video on how to get the water wey dey come from this onion peel, wey go help stimulate the growth of your hair and help the hair make e no dey break too much, and e go regulate the color of your hair. But for now, una stay well, we go see another day.